The following is a statement by the Minister for Education, Culture, Youth Affairs, Fisheries and Agriculture, Dr. the Honorable Natalio D. Wheatley. And now the Minister.
Good day and God's blessings to the people of the Virgin Islands. Your government continues to do all we can to ensure the safety and protection of the people of the Virgin Islands. This was our commitment from the time we presented ourselves as servants of the people. As we all know, we are currently facing a global pandemic of epic proportions, and the world is faced with serious implications as a result. As of March 20th, 2020, there are 209,839 confirmed cases of the coronavirus, COVID-19, in 169 countries with 8,778 deaths. To date, there are no confirmed cases in the British Virgin Islands, but rest assured that your government, led by the Premier Honorable Andrew A. Foy, remains proactive, committed, and solutions-oriented in the best interests of you, the people. As a government, and as the Minister responsible for Agriculture and Fisheries, we recognize that the world economy is being devastated as countries face shutdowns to prevent the spread of the virus. We recognize that ports in the region and around the globe are closing. We also recognize that globally, supermarkets are struggling to satisfy demand as panicking individuals stockpile goods in anticipation of shortages in essential items. Given these circumstances, food security continues to be a major priority for your government. Your government recognizes that we face a serious threat and we must become more self-sufficient. I am hopeful, and as a government we are hopeful, because the God of our foreparents is still the same God today, Jehovah the Great I Am. That is why this morning the Cabinet of the Virgin Islands approved a sum of $2 million to stimulate the local fishing and farming sector. This stimulus package is titled the Rapid Response Fishing and Farming Production Program. What does this mean? It means that this funding program will be used to purchase the supplies, among other areas, necessary to get our fisher folk back in the water. It means that this funding will be used to purchase the needed supplies to get our farmers back on their grounds. And access to this funding means that we will ramp up production and provide the local market with the food necessary to sustain ourselves in this Virgin Islands economy. I am inviting full-time commercial fishers and farmers from Anegada to Jas Van Dyke to contact the Department of Agriculture at 468-6123 to register for this program and give information on the type of support that is needed to get you moving. As Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries, I will continue to engage the Farmers and Fishers Cooperative in an effort to involve key stakeholders. We'll also draw on the vast agricultural expertise in our community to support our Rapid Response Fishing and Farming Production Program. Fishing and farming is nothing new to the people of the Virgin Islands. It is how we initially built this economy. We are going back to basics, but in a modern form. For the saying is true, we must never forget our roots. Fishing and farming sustained our foreparents for centuries, and fishing and farming can still help us today. Your government from day one said that next to financial services and tourism, fishing and agriculture must be a major economic pillar. Now is the time, and your government has the plan on how we will sustain ourselves during this difficult time and beyond, together as one Virgin Islands people. I strongly believe that with God as our guide, we can indeed restart, jumpstart, and push forward these vital sectors as we diversify our economy for greater resilience. People of the Virgin Islands, fear not. We are in this together. The same God who has been faithful to us during trying times is the same God that will see us through today. God bless these beautiful Virgin Islands, and remember to continue to practice social distancing regular hand washing, and avoid touching the face and covering your mouth when coughing and sneezing. Remember, our health and safety are key to safeguarding our beloved Virgin Islands. I thank you.
You have been listening to a statement by the Minister for Education, Culture, Youth Affairs, Fisheries, and Agriculture, Dr. the Honorable Natalio D. Wheatley.